Mega.
Take your seat. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You
Hopefully.
may like to introduce yourself.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Noor Hayat Ranja. I was born in a family of 5 in the district court Momin of in the Tehsil court Momin rather of district Sargodha. I did my early education from that small town, and then we moved to Lahore to complete my siblings and my secondary education. I did my O and A levels from HSN College Lahore, and then I went on to complete my bachelor's in electrical and electronics engineering from Middle East Technical University, Northern Cyprus campus, Turkey. My experiences in HSN were profound. I had the honor of being the school prefect and the editor of the college publication, The HSonian. And there I learned some new sports as well, squash and horse riding, for instance. And my experiences in Turkey were also very good, since they taught me a lot about independence and self-accountability. And then I came back home. I took the civil service exam. This is my second time. And Allah has been very kind by blessing me in this opportunity.
How many years you have lived in Turkey?
Sir, 4.5 years.
Tell us about the country profile of Turkey. What is the population? What is the area? What is the... not many other things. What is the economy? Why it is called sick man of Europe? Batao.
Right, sir. Sir, historically, Turkey is a very rich country. It is been the cradle of civilizations, from the Romans to the Greeks to the Ottomans and now the modern Turkish Republic. The Turkish people are an ethnic mix of a lot of different ethnicities as well. Nowadays, Turkey is inhabited mostly by Turks, ethnic Turks who have moved from the Anatolian steppes westward into Asia Minor and small part of Europe as well, but there are Kurds also living on their eastern provinces. It was historically called the sick man of Europe because of its declining economy in the 17th century, or rather the 18th century, and the wars a series of wars that it had lost to Russia in the Balkan Wars and in the Crimean Wars, which is why the Ottoman Empire eventually collapsed and gave way to the new Republic of Turkey under Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. They are progressive people, they are hospitable, and they are kind, and they are also a good mix of Eastern and Western ideologies. But currently we see a clash, a social clash between these ideologies, and which gives the current Republic of Turkey that we have. It is a revisionist in a sense that President Erdogan is moving, in my view, against the principles of Kemalism, which were entrenched into the constitution of Turkey after the formation of the new Turkish Republic.
What is the population of Turkey?
Sir, I will read on it, sir. I'm not sure.
Total area?
It's the same.
What is the size of economy of Turkey?
Sir, it has the GDP of 800 billion. It runs a trade positive of 5 billion, trade surplus rather. And its biggest exports are that of machinery and vehicles, and that too to Europe. It is in the process of joining the EU. However, that dream seems a little bit extended.
There is a canal running between, there is a canal of Turkey which is connecting the Mediterranean and, what is the name of that canal?
So it's the Bosphorus Canal.
Bosphorus.
Yes, sir.
And they are constructing another canal.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of that canal?
So it's Istanbul Canal.
So what is the progress?
Sir, it is a 20 billion project heralded by